Hello everyone, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today we're going to have a look at some rear cargo LED lights. There's a few of them on the market. We're going to see what features they have that set them apart from the others and help you decide which one's best. Okay, the first one we're going to look at is the Defender 3D. This, in my opinion, is the OG. I think he was the first one to come out with this concept of getting extra light in the back. If I'm wrong, I apologize to whoever invented it. This is a 2024 version here in January. The 3D prints are way better on these later versions. The first version, we would have them crack and then customers were not happy. The light does a great job, super bright. I really don't have any other complaint except for this one, where this clip sticks in. It doesn't always catch. It kind of depends on this little print. So you'll stick it into the power outlet and then you'll drive and they'll vibrate loose. It's not a horrible thing. You can always just tape it up and be done with that. Those are the two things that I've noticed that were kind of a downside to the light. The next thing I'll do is I'll put it in the car and we can take a look how it mounts and what it looks like in the dark. Let's jump to that. All right, to install, all you need to do is pull down the plastic, kind of jam it in like so. Same thing over here on this side. We'll kind of lock in place. The downside to this one is it's pulling the plastic trim piece on the inside. If you're particular, you're going to see a gap. But aside from that, easy peasy. As far as the power supply goes, I'm leaving everything exposed because we have a full install video on how to install the lights. So just for the remainder, we're going to leave them exposed, plug them in. Let's have a look. All right, not a bad light. A couple of things that were a little troublesome. I don't like the way it pulls down on the plastic. And again, you saw the clip. So if you have one of these, tape it up, life will be good. And you can see you could read the SCAR sticker without any problem. So, and again, last thing on this one, it's 150 bucks. So it's coming in at the lower price point. So that is nice. Let's move on to the next one. All right, the next one up is a trim piece. So you're replacing that little trim piece. The 3D clips onto right about here. You're gonna replace the whole trim piece. This is nice if you wanted to have that factory look, but some of the things we've seen that people have complained about, these clips, when you pull the old one out, sometimes bend the plastic out of the way. And then when you go to put this new one in, they don't wanna stick. And frustration, right? Now instead of having a nice neat trim piece, you got something dangling. We've actually stopped selling these in the store just because of the frustration. But hey, they're available on Amazon. And if you have one of these, you want to see how it compares, we can do that too. So I'm going to pop this one in and we'll have a look. All right, that's what this one looks like. It's a big plastic piece that covers up, looks factory-ish, and oh wait, I cheated. I did not pull the unit down. I was afraid those clips would snap in there, but this at least gives you an excellent idea how much light it has. All right, let's have a look at how it does on the SCAR sticker. Yep, no problem reading it whatsoever. Okay, last up is the Lucky 8 one. Couple things I'll point out is the ends are made of aluminum. They've been machined extra wide so that they snap into place, and that way there's almost zero gap. The wiring harness sits right here, laces in, tucks behind. Another key feature is it has a switch. It'll turn itself, you can turn it off, you can turn it on, and you can change colors from white, yellow to red. The yellow is to keep the insects away. The red is to work at night without disturbing everybody else. All right, enough rambling along. Let's see this one in the car. Okay, the Lucky 8 one. We've already tucked the cable in because this is the one the customer's getting. Kind of just get it in place and snaps in. Same thing over here, super easy. All right, no problem. You'll notice not a big gap here, even with the wire tucked in. And there's the switch. Let's turn it on and have a look. There you go, and let's take a look at the scar sticker. What's that? Let's see it in yellow. Okay. Still read it. It's a little bit dimmer. How about red? Yep, not as easy as the white one. And back to normal. Well, there you have it. There is a look at the top 3 lights on the market today. What else can we talk? Okay, forgot to mention the Lucky 8 one was kind of cheating. We knew what people wanted. We had experience with the other lights and saw some of the flaws, so we went above and beyond to make the best one we could. That said, it's going to be a little bit more expensive. That is coming in just shy of 190 bucks. We've discontinued this one. I would avoid it. If you already have it, great, good on you. But when you go to install it and those clips bend the plastic, you're going to be frustrated. And if you've got a 3D one, also a great product. And it's, 50, 60 bucks cheaper than the Lucky 8 one. All right, hope that was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.